that's going to do. Well, everybody, welcome back to Building with Boofus. We are hard at it today. This is day 5 of our project. We are digging deep here. You noticed a minute ago we had to move that huge rock, and we tried to get it in the dump truck, and it was too big and it was going to get stuck. And now he just found that rock, which is even bigger. So that's an even bigger rock than what we had a minute ago. So yeah, we're really finding some fun stuff here. But that's part of the job when you're trying to dig a foundation hole, and that's exactly what we're trying to do. So that's a big rock. But yeah, so we're really going right to town today. So we'll see what kind of a mess and trouble we get into, but why don't you sit tight and watch what kind of fun we have. Well, that was not good. Not good at all. I could get lucky though. Nothing broke. So maybe it just needs to be put back on the hinges. I don't think I'm that lucky though. Yay. That'll be fun to can't wait for that. All right, let's try to put it back on and see what happens. Look at that. Got right back on. We got real lucky. See, hinges and everything. Yikes. That was a close one. We got a little damage right there. But that was some kind of lucky. Do we tell him when he gets back or not? Yeah, that's the question. right, everybody, we made good progress today. Hole's almost done. Got a lot out here. If you notice, we got a lot of big rocks, huge rocks. So yeah, but another day down, hole's almost done. Hit that subscribe button, come back next time, we'll have some more fun. See you guys.